Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Murano's rear windshield wiper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off. You will need a new wiper blade, specifically designed for your Murano, and a small flathead screwdriver. Locate the rear wiper arm on the tailgate. It's usually about 10 to 12 inches long. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now let's remove the old blade. Carefully lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll see a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with a gentle pull, revealing the bare wiper arm. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook-shaped end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear windshield glass. To complete the replacement, activate your rear wiper system to test the new blade. Observe its movement. It should sweep smoothly across the glass, clearing water without streaks. Ensure the blade makes full contact with the window. For best visibility and safety, consider replacing your rear wiper blade every 6 to 12 months, or when you notice reduced performance. This simple task keeps your view clear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.